This 2011 Jayco Jay Flight 29QBH2BDRM Slide, rear bunkhouse is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 33 feet 3 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, slide-out, air conditioning, TV, external shower, Skylight, and 86 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2011 Jayco Jay Flight 29QBH2BDRM Slide, rear bunkhouse is 6,944 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.